Hello and welcome once again in our new session where we are discussing important topics of social science. And from now onwards, we will discuss important topics related to political science, important section of social science. And in today's session, I have come up with one important topic that's known as what are the various functions or what are the various duties that are performed by the local urban bodies in Jammu and Kashmir. The question will be asked in different ways, but we have to concentrate the crux of the question, that what are the various functions that are performed by local urban bodies in Jammu and Kashmir. So, as per the Municipal Committee Act of 2000 of Jammu and Kashmir, the municipal committees of the municipal council, we can say that, is mandated to perform various duties or various functions in order to promote social, economic, and cultural development of the particular area. So, one by one, we will discuss and analyze the various functions performed by these municipal committees or the municipal council as per the mandate given by them in Jammu and Kashmir. The first and the foremost function that is performed by these municipal committees or local urban bodies is there to prepare the plans. And this is the first and the foremost function, that they have to prepare the full-fledged plans for the social and economic development of the region, and also to promote social justice. So this is the first and foremost function, that to prepare the plans where the funds are required to be utilized, in which sector the funds are used to are required to be used, and which sector needs more priority as compared to others. So we can say that there are various sectors where urban local bodies are mandated to promote development of the region. As uh, as we already know that the various functions are going to be performed by these bodies. For example, we can say that the in urban bodies there is the problem of sanitation. There is there may be the problem of the urban forestry. There are various challenges of environment related issues. There are various challenges with respect to the drinking water facilities and these others. And these all the scenarios, these all the aspects are required to be looked by these urban bodies. So one by one we will take up these duties or these functions that, that are required by these bodies to perform in order to promote the social and economic development of the region. So the first and the foremost function, as I have already told you, is to prepare the plans for the development of the region. And number second is to the follow the sanitization. Beg your pardon, the sanitation. Looking at the sanitation issues of the region, and with regard to that, there is there are the challenges of the public health issue problems, um, and these bodies are also mandated to look at the public health issues of the region. So we can say that the various challenges which are posed in the cities or in the urban bodies, and these urban bodies are required to solve all these problems in the cities. And we can say that all these issues, all these problems that are solved or that are looking ahead by these municipal committees is naturally comes under the preview of its functions. So we can say that the urban forestry, protection of environment, the promotion of ecological aspects are their main attributable areas where they are there is the main focus of these urban bodies. So in addition to these challenges, in addition to these functions, these are also required to uplift or upbring the educational scenario of the area, particularly the primary education or the pre-primary education institutions of the area. And further ahead that these are also mandated to promote the facilities of playgrounds, sanitation, this drinking water supply, roads, electricity, street lights, and um, these such related activities. These are performed by these local urban bodies. And in addition to that, they are also required to promote the cultural aspects. In order to promote the culture, to safeguard the cultural aspects, monuments, or these buildings are those things which are of monumental significance, which has its historical significance, public libraries, public parks, and these all are attributes we can characterize with the functions of these municipal bodies. In addition to that, looking further at there is one another important function which are performed by these bodies to maintain the vital statistics with regard to the births and deaths of the area. These things are also uh, maintained by these municipal related committees of the area. So, planning for social and economic development is the key, is the vital thing uh, um, under the banner of this performer. These bodies perform different functions, um, generally to promote the economic and social development of the region. So we can conclude to say that there are different functions uh, mentioned under the Municipal Committees Act and are required and these are required to perform these functions with the letter and spirit, so that our cities, our urban areas will become more attractive in all aspects, whether it is the aspect of electricity, drinking water supply, sanitation, public parks, playgrounds, uh, any other thing related to these aspects. So we can say that these functions are performed by the municipal committees to promote development in its all aspects. So we must analyze these points one by one in order to enhance our understanding level, in order to further our understanding level. And I think uh, it is enough for this topic. These things will help us for the betterment of our understanding. And next session, I will come up with one again next topic. Until then, take care. Goodbye.